Friends, good morning. Today I will discuss how we can multiply a number with 11. How simple it is, I will tell you. See friends, 2 into 11. See friends, 2 into 11, 4 into 11, 7 into 11, 8 into 11, 9 into 11, 22 into 11, 44 into 11, 99 into 11, 104 into 11, 1221 into 11. See friends, 11 2s are how much? 22. We know it. 11 4s are 44. 11 7s are 77. 11 8s are 88. 11 9s are 99. These are all we know. Easily we can do it. This how can we do it? See friends, first digit as it is you write. Here 2 is there, as it is 2 you will write. Then next 2 digits you add. Then 2 plus 2 how much? 4. Next as it is you will write this number here 242. Here see friends, first digit as it is you will write it. Then go for addition, these two, 8. Then again as it is you write this number 484. See friends, here first digit 9, as it is you write it. Then go for addition, these two numbers. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 you will write here, 1 keep here. Then next number how much? 9. Here 1 is there, 9 plus 1, 10. See friends, here you write as it is this number 4. Next go for addition of these two numbers. 0 plus 4 how much? 4. Then go for addition of these two numbers. 1 plus 0, 1. Then write last digit as it is, 1. So this is the answer. See friends, this is first digit as it is you write first digit. Then go for addition of these two digits. 1 plus 2, 3. Again these two digits addition. 2 plus 2, 4. Again these two additions. 1 plus 2, 3. Next as it is you write it. This is the answer. See friends, this we all know, but this is very difficult in examination. I will tell you some more examples. If suppose he will give like this, 4 3 2 1 5 6 into 11. See friends, if he will give like this, same as it is, 6 as it is we will write 6. Then go for addition of these two digits. Then 6 plus 5, 11. Here 1. Then again 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Again these two digits. 2 plus 1, 3. These two digits. 3 plus 2, 5. Again these two digits. 4 plus 3, 7. As it is you write the last digit. So 4 7 5 3 7 1 6. This is the answer. 9 7 4 3 1 7 into 11. See friends, first digit as it is you write. Then go for addition of next two digits. Then 7 plus 1, 8. Again 1 plus 3, 4. Again 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 1, 17. Here 9 is there, 9 plus 1, 10. See friends, this is the answer. I will tell you another one. Whatever the number you take it, 8, 3, 9, 2, 1, 7, 4, 2 into 11. See friends, first digit as it is we will write. 2 is 2. Next go for addition. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 4, 11. Then 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 9, 11. See friends, here 1 is there. Then 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 8 is there. 8 plus 1, 9. See friends, this is the answer. How it is? It is very simple. If this sometimes in examination we will get this type of problems, then easily we can do these problems. See friends, 4, 3, 4, 1 into 11. As it is 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 4 again 7, then last digit is 4. This is the answer. See friends, we have to learn this type of techniques also. This type of techniques we can use in examination and we will get the answer easily. Hi friends, see, we will do this one also. How we can easily calculate this one. See friends, here we will apply this one. Up and down we can apply this formula here. See friends, here 2 digits are there, 1, 2. That means first 2 numbers we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number series. Now first 2 digits we have to write. That means 1, 2. Again 2, 1. See friends, 1, 2, 1. See friends, 1, 2, 2, 1. So 1 to 1. 11, 11 is how much? 1 to 1. Again this one. Here 3 are there. Then 1, 2, 3. 2, 1. See friends. 1, 2, 3. 3 to 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. See friends. The number of digits are same. See friends. Here 3 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. If both are same, this formula we can use. If both are different, I will tell you how to do it. First we will discuss if both are same. See friends, here 4 digits are there. Then you go for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 2, 1. See friends, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 3, 2, 1. Here 5 are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See friend, how easy it is. Here 6 digits are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See friends, for understanding purpose only I am telling this one. In examination directly we can go for answer. See friends, here 6 is there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How simple it is. In one examination, see friends, I will tell you. In one examination, he has given the square root of this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See friends, if you don't know this technique, we cannot answer this problem. See friends, if you know this technique, easily we can get the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total how many numbers are there? 6 numbers are there. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the number. Square root of this one is this one. Easily we can get the answer. If suppose 7 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how we can write? Same only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here again 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this we can solve the multiples of 11. See friends, it is easy. We have to learn this technique and we have to apply if this type of problems come in competitive exams in fraction of seconds, 1 or 2 seconds. By seeing the problem itself, we can get the answer. See friends, so far we have discussed if two digits are same, if number of digits in both sides are same, this type of problems we have discussed. How we have written this? Here 2 are there, then first two numbers 1, 2, again 1. This formula we applied 1 to 1. See friends, here different digits are there. Here number of digits are 2, here number of digits are 3. See friends, if the problem is like this, we have to take the number with the less number of digits. See friends, 11 into 111. Here 2 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. We have to take this number only. So here 2 digits are there, less number of digits we have to take. So 2 digits are there, then first we have to write 1 2 series. What is the difference between these two numbers? 1. Then this last number we have to write again. See friends, the difference is 1. Then we have to write the last number is again 1 time. After that same. 2, after 2 what will come? 1. Same formula. 1, 2. Difference is 1. Again we have to write 1. 1. See friends, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is the answer. See friends, suppose if he is given like this. Here 3 digits are. Friends, I told you na, less number of digits we have to take. So here 1, 2, 3. See friends, here 3 are there. We have to write up to 3. 1, 2, 3. What is the difference between these two numbers? 1. So this number will come again one more time. Again 2, 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. See friends, how easy it is. Then one more thing. 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 2. See friends, here less number of digits is here. That means 2. So first we have to go for 1, 2, 2. Here 1, 1, 2. The difference between the numbers, difference between the number of digits is 2. Here 4 are there, here 2 digits are there. So difference is how much? 2 digits are there. So here 2 times we have to write. 2 times we have to write. Again 1. See friends, 1, 2. Again 2 times 2 because difference is 2. Then 1. This is the answer. See friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3. How we can write it? Here 3 digits are there. So 1, 2, 3. Here total 5, here total 3 digits. The difference is 2 digits. Then 3 again we have to write 2 more times. Then 3, 3. Then 2, 1. This is the answer. See friends, 1, 1 into triple 1. Triple 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 into 5 ones. 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. See friends, here 2 digits, here 3 digits. So less number of digits here 2. So we have to write first two numbers. Then what is the difference between these two? 1. The difference is the difference between the number of digits. See friends, understand, difference between number of digits. Here 2 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. Then difference is 1. So again we have to write this 2 one more time. Then 1 1 2 2 1. Here see friends, here 3 are there, here 4 are there. So we have to take less number of digits. So 1 2 3. Difference is how much? 1. So 3 we have to write one more time. Again 1 1 2 3 3 2 1. Here see friends, less number of digits is here. So first we have to write 1 2. 2 digits are there. Again here how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. So difference is how much? 3 digits. Then 2 we have to write 3 more times. Then again 1. Here 3 digits, here 4 digits. 3 means 1 2 3. Difference is 1. Again we have to write 3 one more time. Then 2 1. Here 5 digits, here 3 digits. So we have to take less number of digits. That means 1 2 3. Difference is 2. So 3 we have to write 2 more times. 3 3 2 1. See friends, in this way we can solve the problems. Very easy it is. See friends, remember this technique and use it if it is required in the examination and get more marks. Thank you.